What's up guys, it's Rob. Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a fun one for you. We're gonna be doing a modification on the C8 Z06. What I'm talking about is the Paragon Performance tail light overlay tint. Huge shout out to Paragon Performance for sending both sets of tail light overlays to me. We obviously have the smoked set here and this is the dark. So I'm gonna install both on either side, the smoked on one side and the dark on the other. And I'm gonna show you guys, and if you have a C8 Corvette, then you can decide for yourself which one you might wanna get. Without further ado, let's get into installing these tail light overlays, guys. So before we install these, we need a rag and a cleaner of your choice. We are going to spray down the area and wipe it and dry it clean. As an added bonus, if you're a little crazy with the overspray, you can kind of get a free car wash out of this too. Now that we've got it clean, we simply locate and orientate where each vinyl piece is gonna stick to. Then it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We peel, stick, and that's it.
Move your fat head!
Simply work our way down, ensuring we get all the air bubbles and whatnot out. These are actually cut out so perfectly, I find it hard to mess it up where it doesn't want to sit right in there. And just like that, our first one is installed. And there we go, second top one is installed. Alrighty, there we have it. The light is completely blacked out now. Now we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. However, we're doing it with the smoked. All right, let's do that. And there you guys have it. Like I said, super easy and quick install. Took me maybe 5 minutes for both of these guys. The quality overall of these is just incredible. It's high quality, just like everything from Paragon is. I'd highly recommend it. So thank you to Paragon Performance for sending me the taillight overlays to share with you guys. If you want a set, I will link them down in the description down below. So head on over to Paragon Performance's website. Pick yourself up a set, tell them Rob with a Z06 sent ya. That's gonna be a wrap on this install video. I gotta get out on the road and show these Mustang owners these hazard lights with the new overlays on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like down below, comment, let me know what one you're going with and what content you wanna see from me next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. As always, I'm Rob and I'll see you guys in the next video.